Alright guys, welcome back to ATech Flow. Today guys, it's a little bit different testing as the usual product, and I have to tell you, I was really waiting to test this one. This is the Ultimea Skywave X70, and this is not just a soundbar. This is a full 7.1.4 Dolby Atmos wireless home theater system. And the crazy part? It's aiming to deliver the cinema level experience without that crazy flagship price. So yeah, as usual, after the intro, let's go through the unboxing, the test, the tech specs and everything, and it's worth your money or not worth your money. I will tell you everything, so let's get into it. Alright, let's start with the unboxing. So straight away, when you open the box, you can tell this is positioned as a flagship system. Everything is properly packed, nothing feels cheap, and you're getting a full setup here, not just a bar. So you've got the main sound bar. Here is the wireless subwoofer, surround speakers, all the cables, remote, and everything you need. And what I like is, this doesn't feel like one of those basic plug it in and forget it setups. Like this feels like you're actually building a proper home theater system. And size-wise, this is not small. This is clearly made for a bigger rooms, a bigger setup, for the best immersion. And now quickly, let's talk about what actually is powering this system. This is a full cinema grade 7.1.4 setup with 980 watts peak power, a massive 10-inch subwoofer, and 20 Hz bass, so yeah, you really feel it in the room. It's also fully wireless, running on dual 5 GHz with TSN protocol, so everything stays stable, no dropouts and under 20 millisecond latency, so it's perfectly in sync. Inside you've got Neura core processing, so a triple core DSP plus a dual core MCU, and it supports 24-bit, which is 192 kHz audio, which is why everything sounds clean and well separated. And it's using gun amps with 98% efficiency. So you get strong, clear sound without overheating, even when you push it. And now let's speak about the sounds, because this is the most important part. And I'm gonna say it straight away. This thing sounds big, like really big. Example movies. Watching Dolby Atmos content, this is where it shines. You get proper height channels, so sounds actually feel like they're coming from above, not just around you. Explosions, flyovers, background effects, everything feels like it's moving in space. And that's because this is a full 7.1.4 setup with real surround plus height channels, not just virtual tricks. Gaming. Gaming on this one is honestly surprisingly good. You can hear footsteps behind you, shots above you, the positional audio is really strong. If you play shooters or immersive games, this makes a massive difference. And the music. The music was this area where I was absolutely surprised, it's like mind-blowing. The clarity is really good, but the main thing, the bass. This has a 10-inch subwoofer and you actually not just hear it, you feel it. Deep, punchy, and it goes really low, like around 20 Hz range, so it actually shakes the room a bit. And it's not muddy either, it's controlled, so yeah, if you like bass, it delivers. And now let me mention about the comparison with my LG soundbar system. And my LG is good, don't get me wrong, but this is on a different level. The LG feels more like a clean compact setup. The X70 feels like a proper home cinema setup. It's like much wider sound stage, way more immersive surround, and the bass, it's not even close. This just fills the rooms in a way that LG can't. So quick real talk about the competitors. Now obviously you've got stuff like Samsung Q990 series, JBL Bar 1000 or the Sony HDA series. Those are amazing, but also way more expensive. And that's where this stands out, because the X70 is basically trying to give you that flagship experience for a lot less money. And honestly, it gets surprisingly close. Now keeping it real, this is my honest thoughts. This is not replacing a full £3,000 plus AV receiver setup, but for a simple, clean, wireless home theater setup, this is seriously impressive, especially if you have a larger room, you want a proper sound, and you don't want cables like everywhere. So yeah guys, overall here is my wrap up. The Ultimea Skywave X70 is actually one of those rare setups where you can get big sounds, real surrounds, huge bass, without going completely crazy on price. And if you wanna check it out for yourself guys, I will leave the Amazon link in the description, definitely worth a look. Big thanks to Ultimea to sending me this product over and sponsoring today's video. This is a different immersion what I had before. If I want to be honest with you guys, the last immersion what I get me this high stance, it was the VR set. When I bought the VR and put it in, I was like, oh my god. And after that, you're just using your OLED TVs or your OLED monitor. It's not a big deal, but this one, it delivers. So thank you again, Ultimea. This is a proper, very good sound system. I absolutely recommend it, double recommended. Thank you guys for watching. It was Akos for Tech Flow. It wasn't here because it's big as hell. It was the sound system from Ultimea, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. What is it? Peace. No, it's not good. It was Akos from Tech Flow, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.